Welcome to my channel Mindset Mastery Hub, where I'll be telling you different tips and techniques from the world's self-help books. In today's episode, I'll be taking you through the summary of the book Essentialism. If you are the one who is unable to fix your priorities in your life to achieve your goal, then this video is for you. As I'll present you with different tips and techniques mentioned in this book Essentialism. Watch this video till the end so that you will understand these tips in a better way and can implement in your life to lead a desired lifestyle. So let's jump in. About this book and the author, this book Essentialism is written by the author Greg McKeown. This book has got more than 4.4 star rating on Amazon. So as per author, the definition of essentialism is it is a disciplined and systematic approach for determining where our highest point of contribution lies. Then, taking actions to achieve those things is almost effortless. He also says that it is a path to a new level of success and a meaning in life. It is the path which one enjoys the journey and not just the destination. So, why essentialism is required for our growth? In today's busy world and in today's modern world, there is a decision fatigue due to too many choices. Technology advancement has led to distractions to achieve our goal. Too much social pressure to make everyone happy, and one has lost his self-identity. And finally, the number of choices has increased exponentially due to technology advancement. So the different tips that the author suggests are: tip number 1 is 4 E's. So let us see the definition of these 4 E's. Explore. Author says to find the clutter in your life. It may be your wardrobe or your working desktop. So evaluate and ask questions to yourself regarding the value and use of those things. And once you have evaluated, list down all these unwanted items to eliminate from your life. Once you have listed down all these unwanted items, then execute it of elimination of the unwanted items. 4E is very much useful to clear our mind from the clutteredness and be focused on our work. The tip number 2 that author says is to learn to say no to the people and the unwanted and the unessential things. Like, learn to say no to people which are non-essential, like going for a movie or shopping along with your friend aimlessly. Don't do the things which doesn't add value to your time, like watching TV or social media. And finally, learn to avoid obstacles in your goal. Even the minute obstacles can lead to a major obstacles in your life. Like example, regular air pressure in your vehicle or regular payment of your utility bills. Tip number 3 the author suggests is the power of choice. The invisible power of choice. Here, we have a choice. We can use our energies to set up a system that makes execution of goodness easy, or we can have a system that actually makes it harder to do what is good. Here, author gives an example. Do you want more pay or more holiday time? Do you want to finish this next email or be on time to your meeting? Or do you want the work to be done faster or better? Obviously, when faced with the choice between the two things we want, it is wise to choose the right option. Tip number 4 is to create a space for a me time. Your author suggests no matter how busy you think you are, it is necessary to carve time and space to relax your mind and plan for your workday ahead. Author suggests to create a space for me time, and during this me time, read books, write journal, or plan for a weekday ahead. Here, author gives the example of Microsoft founder and CEO Bill Gates, who regularly takes a regular weekly off from his daily duties to simply think and read books of his choice. And also, author suggests keeping a journal is a very good habit. Here, author suggests one can avoid procrastination of writing in the journal. It is always better to write less but write consistently instead of writing too much, which takes a lot of time. So, applying this principle of less is better helps to create this writing habit. The next tip number 5 author suggests is invite mind to play. Studies have shown that play expands our mind to explore new ideas and become creative. Also, studies have also shown that it helps us to see the possibilities we otherwise wouldn't have seen and make one more engaged. The next point is it helps one to accept challenge and makes us more receptive to new ideas. The fourth benefit of play is an antidote to stress, and this helps us to increase the productivity. And finally, the fifth advantage of having a playful mind is that it helps in planning, prioritizing, scheduling, anticipating, delegating and deciding and analyzing in taking the decisions. This really helps us in our day-to-day life. Here, authors suggest to create a success routine to achieve your goal. So author says, make it easy. Create a easy routine, which is most powerful tool for removing the obstacles. Practice. Our ability to execute the essential improves with practice. And finally, repeat, and repeat. Repeatedly doing the same task creates a new connections in neurons and makes the task easy. Here, author gives the example of a Olympic swimmer and gold medalist Michael Phelps. He followed the same routine at every race. He used to arrive 2 hours early, and according to his routine, he used to do 800 mixers, 50 freestyle, 600 kicking with the kickboard, and more. After this warm up, he would dry off, put his earphones, and sit, never lie down. And for complete 2 hours, he was focused and used to not talk with anyone, including his coach. Once in an interview, he was asked what is the secret of your success, and he said the secret of his success is daily fixed routine and he would never change it. The best quote from this book, Essentialism, is remember that if you don't prioritize your life, someone else will. Dear viewers, write in the comment box what you like the most and which technique you are going to implement for essentialism. For any questions and queries, write in the comment box. Dear viewers, subscribe to my channel Mindset Mastery Hub, where I'll be sharing with you different tips and techniques from the world's self-help books. Share with your loved ones and learn and grow. Thank you.